Welcome to a tech-packed ride where we will explore incredible vehicles that you will definitely admire. These vehicles are designed for a wild and unstoppable thrill behind the wheels. So, join us and let's experience their sheer power like never before. Number 1. Scania R900 KIVARA. It is designed by the skilled team at Bayside Truck and Trailer Solutions, a South African company known for enhancing heavy trucks. With a dedicated 2-year effort, they achieved significant milestones. Enhancements began with a more aggressive appearance and a power boost to the engine, 900 horsepower in regular mode, and an impressive 1,400 horsepower with nitro. Adding a distinctive touch, they incorporated parts from marine vessels into the engine control unit and also added an enhanced transmission. Number 2. Ford Mustang Shelby. This stunning car captivates with its exterior appeal and has undergone amazing upgrades under the hood. It has a stylish all-black look, complete with sleek 20-inch wheels. With additions like the VMP Gen 3R supercharger, the engine now generates an incredible 1,000 horsepower. The car underwent various enhancements such as Steeda suspension, a customized carbon fiber dashboard, a distinctive hood, and a personalized steering wheel. Number 3. Sever 750K. The Russian creation, the S750K airboat, is known for its incredible speed. It has even participated in the Bal Mile Speed Festival, covering a full mile, 1,642 meters, at a record-setting 155.5 kilometers per hour. This versatile vessel can carry up to 1.8 tons of cargo and is powered by a 430 horsepower engine. The manufacturer offers customizable options to match individual preferences. You can select tables, lighting, additional batteries, awnings, and trailers. Inside the S750K, there's huge room for up to 10 people to enjoy the journey. Number 4. Flying Brick. The Flying Brick is a Russian-built racing car designed by entrepreneur and racer Sergei Kabarin. This car has earned a role in a miniseries filmed in St. Petersburg, set to release early next year. Its stylish design matches its name, and a V8 engine generates an impressive 500 to 600 horsepower. Initially, it had a stronger engine, potentially hitting 700 or even 800 horsepower, which demanded a sequential gearbox for the best performance. Safety features like external buttons for battery disconnect and emergency fire extinguishing add a layer of security to this car. Number 5. Chevy C10 Slayer. The 1965 Chevrolet C10, now known as the Chevy C10 Slayer, has transformed remarkably into a 6-wheel beast. It made its debut at SEMA 2021 and left the spectators astounded. This project was a collaboration between an American father-son duo. Doug DeBerti was a proficient tuner, and his son, Brad DeBerti, was a skilled racer. They faced a challenging task as the car was in bad condition and required numerous components, even underbody replacements. The Chevy C10 Slayer now delivers 900 horsepower, and with a supercharger, it can generate horsepower beyond 1,000. Scott's hot rod experts have increased the car's ground clearance by 30 centimeters. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz G W463. You can now custom upgrade this car using Renegade Design's tuning kits. The last substantial change made by the Mercedes to the iconic G-Wagon in 2012 was a mere adjustment in the bumpers and grille. Renegade Design's kit includes over 100 carbon parts, covering everything from moldings to front bumper lip and mirror covers. You can customize it to your preferences, choosing between glossy or matte and selecting your desired parts. Number 7. Black Bear. A Russian craftsman spent about 7 months crafting this customized bike. It has a unique set of 3 gas tanks, all simultaneously supplying fuel to the engine. It's incredible in terms of performance. It has a turbocharged max engine, generating a strong 160 horsepower. Impressively, they used old BMW suspension components for the rear axle. Furthermore, the trike offers adjustable ground clearance from 30 to 230 millimeters. The stylish airbrushing, matching its name, Black Bear, adds to its appeal. Number 8. Can-Am Outlander 6X6 1000. A Canadian gem, the Can-Am Outlander 6X6 1000 is a 6-wheel ATV. As per the manufacturers, this ATV, particularly the max DPS 450 version, is designed for all types of terrain. It offers the flexibility to switch between all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive modes. With its 38 horsepower Rotax engine, it can pull up to 750 kilograms and carry around 213 kilograms of cargo on its luggage racks. Featuring a powerful 70-watt headlight for clear visibility in darkness, all vital information for the rider is conveniently displayed on the 4.5-inch digital screen. Number 9. Bugatti Bolide. Bugatti is set to release the Bolide hypercars next year, with only 40 units available globally and a $4.2 million price tag. The Bugatti Bolide has a W16 engine delivering a massive 1,600 horsepower, making it the most powerful and the lightest Bugatti hypercar. Its weight is a mere 1,240 kilograms. The car has an 8-speed automatic transmission to handle its impressive power. It is specifically designed for track performance, capable of accelerating from 0 to 500 kilometers per hour in just 20.16 seconds. Number 10. Dodge Ram 1500 TRX. The Ram 1500 TRX, measuring 5.9 meters in length and 2.2 meters in width, commands instant attention on the road and can reach speeds of up to 190 kilometers per hour. It is powered by a V8 engine delivering 702 horsepower. Its all-wheel drive and automatic transmission enable effortless control through off-road terrains. It is already packed with amenities like climate control, a rear-view camera, and entrance/exit lighting. Hence, more customization includes enhancing protective features. Number 11. Lamborghini 63. Lamborghini's expertise in powerful engines extends beyond cars. They have installed two V12 engines into a Technomar yacht. As a result, the Lamborghini 63 is designed as a vessel inspired by its iconic models like the Miura and the Countach. This yacht has twin 2,000 horsepower V12 engines, propelling it to speeds of approximately 111 kilometers per hour. The Lamborghini 63 proudly holds the title of the fastest yacht ever built at the Technomar shipyard. Number 12. Bombardier Global 5500. The Bombardier Global 5500 is a Canadian business jet that aims to redefine its aircraft category. Its fuel consumption is reduced by 133% while preserving a range accommodating flights from Sao Paulo to Paris. Designed for 16 passengers, the cabin merges relaxation and productivity, accommodating 3 rooms, a kitchen, and a shower. It has a unique system that improves situational awareness with advanced visual features. The Bombardier Global 5500 received its first order from an undisclosed customer on the west coast of the United States with a price of $46 million. These beasts undoubtedly spark a passion within us. Let's conclude this journey now, and we turn the spotlight on you. Which of these impressive vehicles will be your next ride? Share your pick in the comments section below. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such tech videos.